In this video, we are going to learn sounds of double F, double S. What is the sound of double F? What is the sound of double S? Now let's read the first question. Look at the pictures and read aloud the words. FF sound is off, off. CL together sounds e, cliff, cliff. Stir, e, stiff, stiff. Off, cliff, stiff. These words ends with sound. Next question is, look at the pictures and read aloud the words. Double S together sounds CL together makes sound. Class, class. GNL together makes sound. Glass, glass. GR together makes sound. Grass, grass. DNR together makes sound. Dress, dress. Hiss. Class, glass, grass, dress, hiss. Ends with sound. So students, watch the video carefully and learn the correct pronunciation.